Good morning, students. Myself is Vivek Kumar Sakya, and you are again welcome in Vivek Sir Study Point and online classes of Saint Omer Inter College. Dear students, in this topic we will talk about electron theory of electrification. Electron theory of electrification. इन दिस थ्योरी इससे पहले आप लोगों ने केमिस्ट्री में पढ़ा ही होगा. देन इन मॉडर्न एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन ऑफ द मटेरियल is based on electron model, and according to the model every material is made up of atoms. मीन्स आप जानते हैं कि एवरी मैटर जो है छोटे छोटे टाइनी पार्टिकल से मिलकर बना हुआ है. मीन्स एवरी मैटर इज अ मेड अप ऑफ स्मॉल टाइनी पार्टिकल्स एंड दीज स्मॉल टाइनी पार्टिकल्स आर नेम्ड एटम्स. And every atom has an extremely small central and a heavy portion called nucleus, which consists of the particle called proton and neutrons. Means in the central part, the proton and neutron means the nucleus of the atom consists of proton and neutrons. The proton is positively charged while the neutron is chargeless. Thus the nucleus is positively charged. Means proton positively charged होता है, neutron पर कोई charge नहीं होता. That's why we can say that the nucleus of the atom is positively charged. Around the nucleus revolve a third kind of the particles named electrons. Means electrons are the such type of third type of a particle which revolving around the nucleus in their different orbits. An electron has the negatively charge equal to the positive charge of proton. So the number of electron in the atom is equal to the number of protons. Means number of electrons are equal to the number of protons, and the charge of proton is equivalent to the charge of electron. Means electron का charge proton का charge equal, electron का नंबर proton के नंबर के equal होता है. तो means हम कह सकते हैं कि electron is a neutrally charged, यानी electron is neutralized because negative and positive cancel to each other. So we can say that the electron is negative charge, proton positive charge cancel to each other. That's why the nucleus positive and outermost part negative, and atom is neutral. So the number of electron in atom is equal to the number of proton in the nucleus. Thus the atom has equal quantity of the positive and negative charge. Hence the atom is whole neutral, and this is why there is no electrical attraction और रिपल्सन इन ऑर्डिनरी बॉडीज़. जो हमारे पास आसपास हमारे सराउंडिंग्स में जो बॉडी प्रेजेंट होती हैं उनमें कोई भी इलेक्ट्रिकली क्या नहीं होता, ना ही रिपल्सन और ना ही कोई अट्रैक्शन होता है, बिकॉज दे आर न्यूट्रल या न्यूट्रली चार्ज, मीन्स चार्जलेस. व्हेन समहाउ वन और मोर इलेक्ट्रॉन आर extracted from an atom, the atom becomes positively charged. Thus the positively charged body means deficiency of electron in its atom. Means you understand that body becomes positively charged after removing the electron, and thus the body, positively charged bodies, means deficiency of electron of its atoms. And conversely, if an atom is given one or more electron, it becomes negatively charged. यानी किसी बॉडी को वन और या उससे एक ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन या इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दे दिए जाएं तो बॉडी क्या हो जाती है, इलेक्ट्रॉन को एब्जॉर्ब करके नेगेटिवली चार्ज हो जाती हैं ड्यू टू द एक्सेस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. For the electrification of a body, only electrons are responsible, not protons. Why? Because it is not easy to remove the protons from the nucleus. क्योंकि सबसे पहले कोई भी बॉडी अगर किसी दूसरी बॉडी से रिएक्ट करती है, कांटेक्ट में आती है, तो सबसे पहले आउटर मोस्ट सेल के इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कांटेक्ट में आते हैं. So the electron always transform one body to another body. So the electron are the particles which only responsible for the transformation of the electric charge, not proton. I hope you understand that. Have a nice day. We will see you in another video. Have a nice day.